Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to make some adaptive UI components. As you know, these are material design language, and if we want we can use Cupertino so it's look like iOS. But in this video we want to make one view and make it look like Android design in Android device and look like Cupertino design in iOS or macOS application. So I'm getting rid of some codes to make it more simple. So in this column, I want to make my designs. I'm going to refresh my designs so I can see my blank page. That's the problem. So this is my blank page. Okay, first of all, I want to make some switch. So for the switch, I have to make a value. So I want to say bool switch value. In default, it's false. And I'm going to pass that, and for this I want to say value and set state switch value equals to our new value. So if I rerun this, as you can see, this is material tree design of my application. If I rerun it in the macOS application, as you can see, this is again it's a material design, but if I make a dot and adaptive, it's going to adapt my macOS design. So this is switch off and on macOS, and this is on Android. So for the next component, I want to make a slider. As value, I should return some double. I'm going to say double slider value. In default, I want to say it's 0.2, and I'm passing slider value. For this, I'm going to say value set state slider value equals to new value. So it's a material design material design component, sorry. So if I add adaptive, it's going to look like macOS one, and I'm going to refresh it on Android device. And as you can see, it's material design here and Cupertino design in macOS. For next component, again, I'm going to use CheckBox. I want a Boolean CheckBox value equals to false. I'm passing CheckBox value and set state. CheckBox value equals to new value. I didn't pass value here. Oh, I'm sorry. There's a problem. It could be null, I think. I'm going to say if it's null, pass false in Android, and in macOS it's not adaptive. Oh, I forgot it. Yeah, it's Cupertino, and again it's material in Android emulator. So for the last one, I'm going to make a radio button. As value, I'm going to pass a list of string, and I'm going to say gender, male and female, and for default value of that, I'm going to say selected gender as male. Okay. As for value, I'm going to say I want gender the 0, the first value. For group value, I'm going to say selected gender, and as for unchange, I'm going to say value, and inside of that function, I'm going to say set state selected gender equals to value dot to string, and this is for our first radio button. I'm going to duplicate it and say this. I'm refreshing that. I didn't assign any text to it, but it's going to work here, and I have to add adaptive to it. Refresh it. It's going to look like material design. And as for macOS, as you can see, for both of them, I have to put adaptive. As you can see, it looks like Cupertino icons. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe for more mobile development content.